Okay, we're going to replace the engine mount for this one. This one is there's a crack in there, so it got worse over time. I seen it like really small, now it's really large. Okay, I'm going to replace it with another mount, a new mount. So we're gonna remove the all these torques. They're all T25. Once you remove it, there's like number 14 bolts. This one, and this is probably number 10, and then there's another one over here. So I got it all out. So we're gonna remove this, remove that. Then once you remove that, you're going to remove also this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one too. Remove those. So this is not really tight. Oop. I think it should be the other way. Okay. Now we're gonna take those out. So we got the bolts out, both sides. We're gonna pull this out. Yep. There you go. Yep. Got more space in here. And I think there's like a bracket. So just take these out. I think we need to remove this bracket for the transmission dipstick. So getting this bracket out. Out. Yep. See how bad it is? It's not even. They're not even connected anymore. Yeah, that's a big crack in there. Got some remnants of oil. And I clean that. Then you could actually replace the oxygen sensor over here now. I'm going to replace that oxygen sensor. I'm getting some intermittent fault code on this one. So there's the connector for the oxygen sensor for the left bank. Yep, this is oxygen sensor 1 bank 2. So I have to move this so that I'll have more room in here, and then I unplug the oxygen sensor connector, and it has oil inside, which is causing the intermittent connection. Yep, bad signal. So I'm going to put an oxygen sensor socket in there and pull it out. So I got it out. Now it's loose. Second. it looks not that bad. I'll get the sensor from back order. And let's compare. So this one has a very long wire. Same stuff. The connectors pretty much the same. Yep. The old one has oil inside. Yeah. Too bad. Yep. There's like oil coming in. That's why probably it got shorted or causing intermittent fault. Okay, new sensor. I just like hand tighten it there. I'm going to use the socket to tighten it. It's kind of tricky because of this very long wire compared to the old one. Right there is just insert the so here and fish it through here. Now connecting the cable, so we're just gonna push this one and it should lock. Yep. The problem is I cannot find the place where this usually hooks up to, so I'm just gonna, there should be like a place in here where you could put it in place, but didn't see any. It's probably down here, but I think what I could do is just like zip tie it. Now reinstalling my replacement with no cracks. So I should experience no vibration anymore. So I'm gonna put it here. So, yep, large holes. And I'm gonna mount the bracket over here. So, transmission dipstick bracket. Cover and the back. Yep, just tighten them, and you put the strut, what they call that, the brace, strut brace or something, or strut rod, I don't know.